Hello there, Nerfers. I don't normally do unboxings and reviews and things. Actually, I don't normally do YouTube, but anyway, thought I'd show you this that I found. Yep, that's one of the new Alpha Strike Fang QS4, the new Alpha Strike range from Hasbro, which was released a couple of days ago. Jarrett had the unboxing and review of the entire range, and I was expecting it to be months before we'd see them in the UK, but here we are on live bought. I have no special access. It just I popped into the Entertainer to see what they had, and they had this on the shelf. £5. As you can see, it's not a terribly exciting box, but it is a four-shot Smart AR system blaster. Comes with 10 darts, skeletonized handle, which I know some people think is horrible, but it's not the first time Hasbro have done skeletonized handles. I mean, we've got the modulus foregrip, skeletonized handle, the sling strike, which I personally think has the most, oops, where's the camera? There we go. The most uncomfortable handle in existence, which is why I took a bunch of this stuff from Tiger in the UK, light clay, which when dried it feels like craft foam. It's squidgy, foamy, rubberized. It moulds like plasticine clay, and made a grip for this, which is now substantially more comfortable. Of course, I've painted this one with some, I can't even remember what this one was now, one of the Rebel blasters, which also had a skeletonized handle. Secret shot? Can't remember. Anyway, that also had a skeletonized handle that was very uncomfortable. So I patted that out with light clay. It's not even the first skeletonized handle that you can see all the way through, because you have the modulus here, which, as you can see, yeah, there we go, one see-through handle. So anyway, that's not that big a deal. Yeah, it feels a little cheap, but it's £5. It's equivalent to the Quad Rock, which I believe was £8, so not massively cheaper than that. But compared to something like a Jolt, which £5 plus, and comes with 2 darts, this is £5 and comes with 10 darts. I mean, 10 darts. Okay, I don't normally buy Hasbro darts because despite their attempt to only use official Nerf darts, yeah, we will when you stop charging an arm and a leg for substandard darts, because to be perfectly honest, I can get AccuFake darts cheaper, I can get waffle darts cheaper, and I play games with groups of teenagers, organised games, groups of teenagers sometimes, and I'm not paying full price for Hasbro darts for them to fire them off into the bushes. Anyway, I digress. This, keep it in shot, is the Fang QS4, Alpha Strike Fang QS4, and it's, yeah, as I say, it's £5. It's not brilliant. You're not expecting brilliant. It's not supposed to be a top of the range blaster. It's supposed to be an entry level blaster. Age range is 8+. To be honest, it feels, if you grip it too hard, it's gonna hurt. Yeah, it's gonna. I'm probably going to foam the handle like I did with the others. But if you're looking for either a quick toy to play with, cheap game for a party, or just something to get kids started, or possibly something that you want to use for integrations, you don't care about the cosmetics of it, you're going to hack it up, chop it up, glue it to something, it doesn't matter. Yeah, why not? And Hasbro have gone for it's painted on one side. Well, it's got the Nerf logo painted on one side. It's got Alpha Strike embossed but not painted, and nothing painted or embossed apart from the little logo suggesting that you should read the safety instructions on the other side there. I can only assume they didn't emboss the Nerf logo, because obviously if you emboss it and then try and print on that, there's the possibility that the printing and the embossing don't line up. That causes a reject, causes wastage, loss of revenue. They're obviously trying to do this as cheap as possible. Let's grab a couple of darts. So these are just what I've got to hand. Oops, missed. I have been having a little play around with this. I have noticed sometimes there's I don't know whether the interior of the barrel is not as smooth as it is on some. It does get stuck sometimes. It gets caught on a little lip inside there. But generally, what can I say? It's sorry for the sniffing. I have terrible hay fever. It's a Nerf 4-shot blaster. Ow. Yeah. Yeah, that first shot hit me right on the hand there. Yeah. There's not a lot more to say about it. It's I think it was just Joel looking over it. It's claimed that there are no screws in it. There's not a single screw in this thing anywhere. Even down here, this pin is not even a pin, it's a lump of plastic. There's no trigger return screw. It's, and can you see, it's somewhat like the jolt return springs. So there's nothing to lose there. There's no tack rails, no there's no tack rail to it, obviously no barrel attachment. I wonder if we can oops, this here piece of plastic. Let's see, does that, how does that one come out? Come on, you know you want to. This top piece is quite soft plastic. Oh, I see, we've got there and there and there and there. If we can get everything coming up at once. Right, okay, there we go. Yeah, this is really soft, squidgy plastic. To access the the plunger tube on here. Oh, there we go. No O-ring. Oh, I see, there's the catch there. I don't know if you can see the shell is the plunger tube. That's it. There's no, you know, there is no separate plunger tube. That's interesting. There's people have said about, could you put an upgrade spring in it? Well, I would say stock out of the box. If you try that, you're going to rip these tabs off. You know, I mean, if you try putting a seriously beefy spring in it. But looking at it, there's these pins here and screw holes, well, holes here that they connect into. I would imagine you could probably put a screw in there, so you could put a new spring in there, and away you go. So, can you upgrade it? Quite possibly, yes. An interesting one to try. So, yeah, if you want to grease your plunger tube, it's a field job, that. Let's see. Come on. Okay, one. And two. Let's see what we got here. That's your set of air restrictors. Oops, 3, 4 air restrictors. Springs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull out. Oddly, it's the easiest way to get this out, actually, to oh, there we go. Okay, right, well, there you go, one stripped down blaster. I'm guessing this is it welded or is it? No, it's just moulded. It's a single moulded piece. It's not glued. I'm guessing with a bit of the only piece I've not taken off here is this trigger, because it's I have to pull that apart and that risks damaging things. I don't want to do that. That is the combined cylinder and handle. In here you have your smart radar system, which so actually, if you wanted a smart AR for an integration or a barrel attachment, could you stick this on front of a jolt and have a four shot smart AR jolt? Yes, you probably could. Should you? Oops, I didn't go score with it. Should you is an entirely different matter. So you could. And I'm actually thinking of cutting out the dart posts in this. Yeah, if I cut out the dart post and use half darts. So, one stripped down blaster. Still haven't quite worked out how the smart AR system works, but anyway, let's put that back together. That goes in there. All triggers make that easy to go in. Goes in there. There. One stripped down and rebuilt blaster. What can I say? Yes, the handle's uncomfortable. Yeah, that prime handle's a bit twisty. The plastic all feels a little cheap, but it is. Although to be fair, the main body is not doesn't actually feel that cheap. It's the overall quality seems a little cheap. That looks like fun. I'm gonna have fun with that. I think I'm gonna snip the dart posts out and use it for short darts, because why not? I'm working on a short dart long shot. Oh, we haven't investigated the darts, have we? Oh, they're quite a not so much yellow as orange. Ew. Best description I can think of is a kind of what's its orange. Just a little weird, but yeah. Yeah, they say Nerf on here. Yeah, 10 darts. Okay, previously when I've been looking for darts at short notice, a pack of 10 darts would cost you nearly £5. Overall, like I say, it's not the greatest blaster in the world. It's never going to be a showstopper. But at the price point, given that or a jolt, 4 shots, 10 darts, this beats a jolt, if you ask me. Thank you very much. I shall doubtless end up having more videos. If you like the video, excuse me, I'll try that bit again. I will doubtless end up doing more videos on different things. I have a huge pile of blasters. Well, my wife claims it's a huge pile of blasters. And yeah, how do you do an outro? I have no. Yeah, Adriana from Flame Blast is always having trouble with her outros. I know why now. Anyway, have fun, guys.